Yo, my people, yo, I'm back again, and I'm here to give you another package, which is how to do the leg work. When I mean leg work, I don't mean this leg work, I mean leg work, leg work. Yeah, that's the type I mean. So many people have been trying to learn it, but it looks so difficult. Most especially for the girls, for the ladies. They find it very hard to learn, but I will break it down to the simplest form, and you understand. All tutorials are based on analysis and observation. Trust me, they are 80% accurate. Let's go. Oh yeah, I'm back. So what I mean about the leg work, I mean full leg work. This is it. It goes like heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. See? Heel. Sorry, this is toe. Heel. Oh shit. The second leg work I mean is now this one is very simple and easy to understand. You're still doing the same heel toe, but now you're going like this. Heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. You turn, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. You jump, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. Heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. That's how you move this one. It's unlike the other one that is heel toe, heel toe, heel, chip, heel toe, heel toe. So it's that simple. You can start like heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. And mostly when you're doing all this, your hand heel toe, ha, heel toe. It makes you have the afro shape, you know, the big body and the Yeah, let's go. Yeah, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. See, heel toe, left, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel, jump, down, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. You can do it in a club anywhere. Hey.